morning, everyone. I am Mridul Krishna Pandey, studying in BTech Computer Science Engineering, second year of Amrapali Group of Institutes, Haldwani. In this video, I will speak about renowned freedom fighter Mohammad Baji. The period between 1707 and 1947 is extremely crucial in the history of India. The advent of Europeans for the purpose of trading later led to the invasion of British in India. During the reign of British, India was exploited for its economic resources to a great extent. The World War I and World War II played a very important role in arising the spirit of nationalism among people. Various freedom fighters fought in their own way for the independence of the country. Finally, in 1947, India gained independence and became a republic on 26 January 1950. Mohammad Baji was born on 28 January 1917 and he joined Congress in 1931. He was a close associate of civil rights activist Lakshman Nayak. At the peak of the 1942 Quit India movement, Baji suffered bullet wounds when 29 tribals were killed as they protested in a police station at Maithili, now in Malkangiri district of South Odisha. Baji joined freedom struggle as he was inspired by renowned freedom fighters like Radhakrishna Biswasare. Later he joined Gandhi's Satyagraha at Sabarmati in 1940. Baji was instrumental in organizing various freedom fighters as he visited from village to village. Baji led Padyatras in Nabrangpur for the restoration of peace after the demolition of Babri Masjid and again after the communal riot in Kandhamal in 2008. Baji was a renowned freedom fighter in a remote town of Nabrangpur in Odisha. Mohammad Baji died on 27 June 2019. After his death, an era came to an end. His nephews, N. Ahmad and Akhtari Beg and other family members were with him when breathed his last. He died at his residence Sunari home, as according to sources. He was 103 years of age. He was laid to rest with state honors in Nabrangpur. Thank you.